Hey guys, today I'm going to deal with the questions that have been asked about Indus Valley civilization in SSC exams. I'm not particularly concentrating on CGL, but I've taken into consideration all the exams that have been conducted by SSC. So, coming to the very first question, the social system of the Harappans was fairly egalitarian. It's not slave labor based, it's not color based or caste based. It's egalitarian, which means equality for all. Like everyone is treated equally in Indus Valley civilization. The next question was, which statement on the Harappan civilization is correct? And the answer is the culture was not really static. The meaning of static is it is not fixed. So if the culture is not fixed, it is called dynamic. That means like it changes every time, like it doesn't have any constant culture. So here you can see another option, like Pasupati was venerated by them. It's not venerated, it's worshipped by them. Venerated means great respect, but Pashupati was actually worshipped by them. So we get confused. We'll feel like it's about Pashupati and everything, but it's actually, the answer is the culture was not generally static. The next question is, out of the following remains excavated in Indus Valley, which one indicates the commercial and economic development? And the answer is seals. Because commercial and economic development means it deals with the trade that took place between Indus Valley civilization and between Greeks, as you've studied already. So it got to be seals. And the next question is, the earliest city discovered in India was? As you can see, I've also written the exam and the year beside, so that you can refer it when you're free. So the earliest city discovered in India was Harappa. We know it's not Punjab and we know it's not Sindh, so we are really confused between Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. So this question really clarifies like a doubt that it's not Mohenjo-daro but it's Harappa. This is the first city which has been excavated. The last question is, which among the following has not been found in the excavation of Harappan sites? And as you can see, the option is temple and Sikar. Okay, drains have been found, forts and reservoirs, all these have been found, but people were not able to find temples and Sikars in those days. So there are around 30 to 31 questions, so if you need to get the possibility of the repetitive questions, then you need to understand about each and every exam, and each and every exam deals with the same topic, so I've written them down. So the next question is, the organic relationship between ancient culture of Indus Valley and Hinduism of today. So it is stones, trees and animals, because today people think Pashupati as Shiva, so it's another form of Vishnu. So there's like, things have changed there, but one thing which did not change is like organic relationship stood between stones, trees and animals. Like these are like constant ones. Which was the only Indus site with an artificial brick? Dokya, that is Lothal. This question has been asked like several times. Lothal is a site which is like really important and asked like several times. So when you're reading about Indus Valley civilization again and again, just make sure to read this point like particularly. So Lothal is a site where dockyards of which of the following civilization were found? It's Indus Valley civilization. Lothal, the dockyard site of the Indus Valley civilization, is situated in Gujarat. The Harappan civilization was discovered in the year 1922. Which of the following domesticated animals was absent in the terracottas of Indus civilization? Cow. And next, 12th question, which was the only Indus city without a citadel? It is Chanhudaro. The essential feature of Indus Valley civilization was organized city life. worship of Mother Goddess was associated with Indus Valley civilization. The striking feature of the Indus Valley civilization was urban civilization. The Great Bath of Indus Valley civilization is found at Mohenjo-daro. In Mohenjo-daro, the largest building is a granary. Please don't write that is the Great Bath. The largest building is granary, and Great Bath is found in Mohenjo-daro. So don't get confused between these both. Okay, next. Which is a port town of Indus Valley civilization? It's Lothal, as we've discussed. Kalibanga is situated in Rajasthan. This question has been asked twice, so remember that Kalibanga is situated